How to download and install Steam on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Geek. In today's video, we will learn how you can download, install, and log into our Steam account as well. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. All you have to do is first open up your web browser, and in the URL address bar, you want to go to store.steampowered.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link below, which is store.steampowered.com. Once you go to this official website over here, you'll be able to see the Steam store. Now over here on the top right hand side, you'll be able to see this option called Install Steam. So just go ahead and click on the Install Steam button. And as you click on the Install Steam button, over here you'll find the option called Install Steam. So just click on the Install button again. As you do that, from the bottom left, you'll see this pop-up menu. Over here, just click on the Keep button. Now after the Steam setup exe file has been downloaded, we're just going to click on it. And then here you'll see this little setup. All you have to do is click on the Next button. Make sure to choose a language and then click on Next again, and choose a location as to where you want to install Steam. So I'll just go ahead and choose my location as well. Once I choose a location, I'll make sure to also give it a folder, and then I'll click on the Install button. And as I do that, you can see Steam has been installed. Now you can just check the button called Run Steam, and after you finish it, Steam application is actually going to be launched as well. And just like that, you would have successfully downloaded and installed the Steam application on your Windows PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.